What's MetaMask and how to set up one? MetaMask is a secure personal digital bank for cryptocurrencies. It helps you store your money in crypto and you manage it fully. No one else has access to it except you grant them access. MetaMask can be downloaded on Chrome and Firefox or on iOS and Android if you are a mobile user. MetaMask is the most popular digital wallet for the crypto world. Visit MetaMask to download the app on your Chrome browser, Android or iOS device. Here's how to set up your MetaMask. Setting up your MetaMask is similar to setting up a bank account. You would be provided with a secret phrase. Be sure to write down your private key. It's presented as a random 12-word phrase. Keep it in a secure location. If you lose or forget this 12-word phrase, you won't be able to access your crypto. Your MetaMask is set up on the Ethereum blockchain now. To set it up for the Binance Smart Chain, access the settings on MetaMask. Locate the Add Network in settings. Input these details in the fields. Save and leave the settings. MetaMask provides you with a wallet address similar to a bank account number. You can share with anyone to receive any crypto from them. Now your MetaMask is set up for the Binance Smart Chain. Start saving on Xend Finance today to get the best returns on your savings.